So ever since the last video I made titled what happens to the vagina if you don't have sex, I'll link it up here. Please make sure to watch this video till the end before going into that one. Many people have been curious as to know what happens to the vagina or what will happen to the vagina if you have sex every day. So let's get into it. Hi there, my name is Pep. I'm a registered nurse by NSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if you are just setting your eyes on this beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Turn on post notification just so each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And if you're a returning subscriber, my guy, how far? And with that being said, let's get right into this video. First off, let's talk about the anatomy of the vagina. The vagina is a muscular and flexible canal that extends from the vulva to the cervix. It has an incredible ability to extend and contract, which is essential for sexual activity, menstruation, and also childbirth. Now, having sexual intercourse every day can have several effects on the vagina, some of which are temporary and some that require a bit of attention. One of the immediate effects of regular sexual activity is increased blood flow to the vagina area, and this can lead to enhanced lubrication and also heightened sensitivity. This can also come off as a positive effect of having sexual activity every day, because for many, this increased sensitivity can enhance sexual pleasure. So I mean, who wouldn't want their partner to be all dripping wet and all that good stuff? However, frequent sexual activity can lead to discomfort and irritation. This is because the vaginal walls are delicate. So if there is so much friction in the vagina, it can lead to micro tears, and these micro tears can in turn cause irritations and also discomfort during sexual activity. So this is why it is important that you use plenty of lubrication during sexual activity to avoid dryness. There are various types of lubricants available in the market. There is the water-based, silicone-based, oil-based. So go for what is compatible with you and your partner, and also what is compatible with condoms. Another major concern is the risk of infection. Having sexual activity every day does not inherently increase your risk of infection, but it is crucial that you maintain good hygiene while at it. Urinating after sex can flush out bacteria that must have gone to the urethra during the course of intercourse. Also, staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy, balanced diet will also support vaginal health. So basically, hydration helps you get more lubrication downstairs, while a balanced diet will support your overall wellness. It is also worth mentioning that if you are using condoms and you are about changing from anal to vagina, vagina to oral, it is important that you change that condom to avoid transfer of bacteria from the vagina to the anus, anus to the mouth, and all that. Another point is that frequent sexual activity can disrupt your vaginal pH balance. So if you notice any unusual discharge, odors, or irritation, it is a good idea that you check in with your healthcare provider just so they can create a plan for you to diminish that issue. So in summary, all that I've said so far is that having sex every day can be perfectly fine and not an issue if you take steps to ensure comfort and also hygiene. Make sure you drink a lot of water, stay hydrated, use plenty of lubrication during sex, ensure you maintain a good hygiene, also ensure you eat good balanced diets, include probiotics, cranberries, Greek yogurt in your meal, and most importantly, listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, discharges, or even symptoms of an infection, it is good that you contact your doctor immediately so they can tackle that issue immediately. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you have found this video really interesting. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments down below. I'll be sure to make a video to address those questions. And if you watch this video till the end, you are an OG. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And with that being said, bye guys.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.